So we've been in the papers again in ways that we'd rather not be. The Frankfurt prosecutors paid us a visit last week in connection with an investigation about which we had no prior knowledge. It relates to the Panama Papers, an issue that we'd understood had been fully addressed through previous investigations. To date, we're not aware of any wrongdoing on our part, so we'll await the conclusions of the prosecutors. Of course, as we've said and has been confirmed by the prosecutors, we've been fully cooperating with their investigations.
Let's look, though, at the capital market reactions, because that was quite harsh. So the capital market is concerned that there might be, again, the risk of high litigation costs for Deutsche Bank.
Yes. No, the capital markets, of course, will struggle to get a proportion or a sense of proportion associated with these matters. What's important to understand is that the business that the prosecutors are taking an interest in, first of all, is a business that we've sold. That transaction closed earlier this year. Secondly, it's a very small business. It was a trust services business with revenues in the single-digit millions and profit in the single-digit millions. It is a very small business relating to a small number of clients and small number of assets. And of course, it's trust services, which is not is a business that is conducted all around the world. We, of course, take our KYC and other responsibilities very seriously in this regard and have done for several years. It's a business in our wealth management area where, through client vetting programs and the like, we've been extremely diligent.
I think what spooked investors as well was the fact that the suspicion is that the money laundering ran well into this year, so that current management was already in place. So what's your response here?
So current management has been engaged in improving over time all of our KYC, client assessment programs to ensure that the clients we do businesses with, we understand the sources of their funds, the reasons that they're conducting the business with us. And that's been a real emphasis of current management. I think the investigation really reflects not at all on today's control systems. It reflects a previous state of, if you like, the leaks that came out with the Panama Papers and whether there was some nexus, some client relationships that we had that had come up in the Panama Papers. As I say, that had been fully investigated, and to our knowledge, that investigation had been closed.
Would you exclude personal consequences when it comes to the current management for these specific issues?
The current management has conducted itself with a real focus on our compliance, on our control systems. We've made enormous investments. I believe those investments are showing themselves. We're highly engaged with our regulators on that control environment, and that's something that has been an enormous focus of the current management.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.